Carbonara, the first Rome dish. The legendary pasta dish that proves simple ingredients you must try. It creates unforgettable flavor. Yes, no cream, no shortcuts, just eggs, pecorino romano cheese, guanciale, and black pepper. You must try. Amatriciana, the iconic pasta dish, yes, the another one which combines simplicity, spice, and centuries of tradition. You must try this bold flavor pasta, rich history of pasta. Amatriciana, originally from the town of Amatrice. Supplì, yes, the crunchy on the outside, the another dish, the ultimate Roman street food snack that locals can't get enough. Oh, it's lovely in taste. You must try this irresistible world of Supplì al telefono. Saltimbocca alla Romana. This is another dish. Its name is tough, but the meaning is jumps in the mouth. Yes, it is really the delicious dish straight into the Roman kitchen. You must try and explore how and few ingredients make this dish so delicate. The fresh sage and a buttery wine sauce. Cacio alla Giudia. This is the last dish, Jewish style artichokes. Yes, one of the most iconic and irresistible dishes, prepared by flattering tender Roman artichokes and deep frying them twice until the leaves are perfectly crunchy. You must try.